Alrighty, I've got this AMG C63s Edition 1 behind me that I've just finished ceramic coating. It's not a brand new one, it's 5 or 6 years old. So I'm actually going through the interior now, giving it a bit of a courtesy clean. It's got an Alcantara steering wheel in it, but it's very, very dirty, very like sort of satin and matted off, and it's just full of grime and grub, as you can probably see by this cloth here. But while I'm doing that, I thought it'd be good to show you guys how I clean an Alcantara steering wheel or Alcantara seats, things like that, with a couple of little tricks that we detailers use. Okay, so any interior job you always start from top to bottom, so I haven't done carpets yet, they're quite grubby. But as you can see, I've already started this half of the wheel here. So this is what I'm working with on this side. All around here, or over here, you can see really closely, it's really sort of closed, almost like surfaced leather, versus this, which is that nice suede Alcantara feel there. So I've sort of stopped just there and gone around just here. So we'll put the camera on the tripod and I'll go around and clean this section here. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is get a microfiber, just sort of run it behind your instruments and bits and pieces, because you are going to be spraying stuff on it. What I've got here is a bottle of some mild interior cleaner, like, as in a very small amount of interior cleaner, so about I'd say about that much interior cleaner, which is a concentrate, and about 50-50 IPA, so isopropyl alcohol, and demineralized water. Just going to almost saturate the Alcantara. And give it a good rubbing. Don't go silly around the buttons, of course. Try not to saturate the buttons, but they should be fine. So really give that a good rub. Okay, you can already see that's getting a hell of a lot cleaner. Now, you might need to do this once or twice in a couple of different positions. Okay, that's already looking a million times better, and you can see that it's starting to get that stipple back again. If it doesn't come back stipply as this, or that, you know, that sort of furry Alcantara feel, I've got this hooked up to my compressor. Now what this is, they call them a Tornador. That's kind of like the brand, but essentially it's an air blower with a rotating power head. It's full of crap, of course, because I use it to clean interiors and whatnot. But you can see as you press the button, it rotates that around. So that really turbulates the air and disturbs all of this and brings it back up and really fluffs it back up. So what we want to do, again, just take our rag, our cloth behind it. Grab the camera now and have a quick look. And you can see how much better that looks straight away. Going up to the top here where I haven't done, coming down here where I have done, looks like fresh Alcantara. So that's how we clean Alcantara steering wheels. Now that'll still be a little bit damp, the alcohol and everything will dry off, and it should look brand new. Obviously go around and wipe all of your bits and pieces and everything like that, but with an interior job, obviously you want to start from the top down, and then the last thing is you vac everything off the floor. Enjoy.
you.